Guys, so they say that cleaning is a daily thing. If you don't clean your house for even a day or two, then it becomes very dirty, and so more so especially for the kitchen. So in this video, I'm going to do an extreme cleaning of this kitchen. I did not even show you the whole thing, but at least you'll see how dirty it was, and it had not just been cleaned for about 3 to 4 days due to unavoidable circumstances. So I hope that you will enjoy this video. It is extremely satisfying to arrange everything and to put everything back in order, and please stick around to the end. And thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If you're a returning subscriber, and if you are new also, welcome to my channel. I do DIY and travel, and I appreciate you so much for being here.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side, coming back inside my body for a second. There is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? What's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here.
Because the utensils were too many, I'll be cleaning them in parts. So I'm just starting on cleaning out all the utensils so that I can have the surfaces free of dirty utensils.
Right now, right here. I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets on the beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby. I'm so glad I didn't give up easy, chasing after you. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? What's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here. Every single second I just feel like I should say that I'm so glad I couldn't quit you. Every single moment I just hope you feel the same. It heals me when you say that you're done. Take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking?
We are finally done with cleaning all the utensils, guys. You can see they were too many. So I am just now going to start on cleaning the surfaces.
All this time, oh, what's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here. Right now, I will be right here. Right guess you're trying to stay strong.
Then I'm going to go ahead and clean this cooker. It was dirty. I think this one had not been cleaned for a while. Good thing that it has a nice color, so the dirt is not so much, but you can see food spills everywhere. So in this next step, I'm going to clean this cooker to be sparklingly clean. So I'm going to use just soap and water, and then later on I'll dry all the parts with kitchen towel to avoid rusting when we cook again.
Make a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side,
This is how it looks after cleaning.
maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
So these fruits, they were here for a while, so some of them were spoiled. So that's why I am removing them to just change them and to remove the spoiled ones. And then I'll go ahead and put back the fruits. You'll see there was a pineapple, there were two, but one of them was completely rotten, so we had to throw it away. And then these are the ones that remained. Yeah.
As you fade away, as you fade away.
This is a flour for uji, and then we had moringa powder and some raisins that were just bought. So I am just putting them into the cans, into the tins for storage.
Like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Then here I am going to change the dustbin and put in new paper, because the other one you saw, the dirt was so much it had even begun to rot. And then I'm just changing it and putting in new paper. And then later on I will be cleaning the kitchen, wiping. So that's me removing the carpets. And then I will just clean, but I'll clean offline, guys. And then now I'm drying the utensils to keep them away so that you can have a little bit of space in the kitchen and to just put things in order, because guys, you know how it was looking like.
As you fade away.
So after all the cleaning is done, I'm going to make tea and some sausages. So guys, I normally boil my sausages for like 2 minutes. It helps with not deep frying because I think sausages themselves already have fat. So I am trying to make them a bit healthier. So I'll just boil them for a bit and then I'll shallow fry on a pan.
As you fade away. As you fade away.
If you aren't subscribed, please consider to subscribe.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
So this was breakfast, ngwashe, some sausages and tea.
Until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts
To love how well arranged this cabinet is. I love it. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. This is the kitchen, how it looks like after all the cleaning is done. And I absolutely love how vibrant it is now after removing all the dirt and just arranging everything. You can see everything is in order. So thank you so much for watching this video to the end. May God bless you so much and see you in my next video.